Hello everyone. In this video we'll be seeing about how to set up recurring reminders using ntfy and Cron-job. So let's see how it works. So I have opened this um, web page ntfy.sh/app, and we can subscribe to a new topic. So I'll click on plus this buttons, subscribe to topic, and you need to enter a random topic name so that it's unique to yourself, because if you're typing something standard topic, so anyone might use it, so it's better you use some random topic name. And I'll click on subscribe. So these are some previous messages which we have created. I'll just close them, delete them, and we can see that using this command we can send messages to ntfy.sh. So let me copy this and let me clear my history, and I'll paste it over here. And since I'm using Windows, I'll need to use curl.exe. So once I hit enter, you should be able to see the message on ntfy.sh web page. So you can see I comes. Now in order to make it recurring, we can use this web page cron-job.org. Here I have previously created a free account on Cron-job. So basically you should see this interface in the beginning, and you can just click on this button, create cron job, and you can set a title for this job. Sorry, excuse me. I'll just type Smith's birthday, and for the URL I will just copy this URL and I'll paste the URL over here. So birthdays occur once in a year, so I'll select every year on, and I'll select today's date, which is 17th of September at 7:31. And let me copy this message, and here the pay request method I'll change from get to post, and I'll just paste the content over here. Whatever content you mention over here, that will reflect on the app. So I'll just click on create. So now let me screencast my phone. So let me bring it to the top. So here we have the ntfy app, which is installed, so it's available on iPhone and Android also. I'll click on this, and I'll click on the plus button, and I'll enter the topic name, which is UNG, and let me click on subscribe. So I have subscribed to this topic, and I should be receiving the message over here, Smith's birthday. So if I open this, so here are some contents which I used for testing the app previously. Let me delete all of them just for simplicity. Okay, so we have 1 minute, and after 1 minute we will at 7:31 we should be receiving the notification. So meanwhile, why we need to use this app? So that's a good question, because if you can create the same on calendar, but the calendar will be applicable to yourself only. So if you're using this ntfy app, so you can give this link to multiple people and they can subscribe this to the topic, and like who are subscribed to the topic, they will receive the notification. That's the main advantage. And you can make it recurring using daily or weekly basis also using Cron and job. So yes, so we have the notification over here, Smith's birthday. So I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.